Good morning Philippines, nangita ba mong usa ka city nga condo guys nga RFO na siya but pre-selling siya guys ang iyang presyo guys. Another thing is that they do have a big discount, double discount or even 15% discount especially sa spot cash. Ay mo pagduduha guys, ari na mo guys. Naata sa East Taft Gate guys. So excited na kayo mo may bawa ani. Aras na. So karon guys nata diri sa Taft East Gate 1 bedroom unit plan aton tanawon diri guys unsa kadako unsa kanindot luxurious. Actually ilang tanan projects diri is RFO. Now, so di mo diri na di kuan dining table. So mo siya actually showroom guys tanan diri projects for East Taft Gate is kuan actually siya RFO na also aside from that is finished. So mao ni yung one bedroom. Dako-dako siya guys na po siya cabinet. But again, it's kuan siya finished siya no. Then also na diri window may nakanindot din. Gawas mo diri siya kitchen. Diri pwede. Also at the same time na diri ang iyang toilet guys, living room. Unya mao na po itong kuan guys, studio unit plan sa Taft East Gate guys. So muna yung kanindo diri guys. Mix ni dapitan no sa East Gate because aside sa condo o mga residences ubos na yung mga pharmacy and everything nice. So pag tanaw mo diri guys, pag open mo na diri of course ang CR diri. Ang dako kay nga bed guys. This is actually pwede siya good for two no. Dina siya kuan po dining area pwede nga nani. But again, we are all RFO. Also at the same time, nakanito na is all finished. So nga na siya kadaka guys. O karon ang pinaka very exciting part guys and 2BR sa Taft East Gate. So aton tanaw diri guys kung sa kadaka wow in fairness. Dako-dako gyud siya no. So again, all units are RFO. So at the same time if you would like to pay in pot cash na siya additional 15% of
Wow.
what's the good thing about here is RFO na siya but murag ang price gyapon is pre-selling. This is the nice thing about East Taft Gate no. So of course natay yung room area diri dapita guys. Yung tour ta diri dapita. So first bedroom nga na siya. So pwede mo tangan mo ga study table diri kasi also at the same time pag abot diri na atong comfort area or comfort room. Oh, diba? If masulubon ka, ari ra kay sa ganang kag comfort ay is comfort room diri no. And then another room is here is the master's bedroom nga siya kadaka guys. So this is just actually a showroom no guys just to show you about unit that we have. Actually kuan siya finished ni siya. And also master's bedroom is na pud siya toilet ko guys. So for more information about this guys ay no mo pagduduha arats na. PM o comment na and also for a site tour para ma-explainan. So mano to guys, if you have any questions, excited kay mo ganahan mo ka ng may baw more on about this East Taft Gate and all Taft developments guys. Ayaw na mo pagdodo guys. Please comment below any questions or inquiries. Also please don't forget to like and follow all my social media accounts. Aras na, mag-site tour na ta!